Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to delete your account bio history on Instagram. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into that video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Instagram. Once you open it, you need to now tap open your profile, which is on the bottom right hand side of the corner. So simply tap on it and then you can find a hamburger like icon on the top right hand side of the corner. Simply tap on it and then you will end up in this kind of interface. So now from here you need to tap on your activity. Once you do so, you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply scroll down and tap on account history. Once you're on account history, you will be redirected to this kind of interface, where in the update type you need to simply tap on it and select bio and tap on apply. After doing this, here all your bios that you have written till now will be presented, and now you can simply tap on the clear all option right besides the bio option to clear or delete your account bio history on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.